Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Anthony Wood and this is Shop Mad. In today's video I'm going to be making this drill press table. So without further ado, let's crack on. I'm just going to use 10mm ply for the base, which is 400mm wide. So I'll just get this marked off, and 240mm deep. Cutting the two sides at 150mm. Now cutting the spoil board at 100mm. I'm just going to put some masking tape close to the edge, because when I glue up, I don't want the glue to actually go underneath the spoil board. Place the spoil board in the centre and attach the two sides to the glue. While the glue's drying, I'm just going to move on and start making the fence. I'm going to make it 50mm wide by 1 inch deep. I'm now going to make the two end clamps to hold the fence in place. I'm just going to drill out two 8mm holes to accept dowels. This will hold the clamp on one side. Glue the two dowels in place. And don't forget to wipe any squeeze out or any excess glue. I'm now just going to make up some edge banding for the drill press table. I'm now going to route the channel up the centre of the stock and this is for the guide for the fence. And now cutting the guides for the fence. Right, the guides are done and they're sliding nicely. A little bit of paste wax and those will be great. Time to glue on the two sides for the guides. I've drawn a half circle in the centre of the fence and I'm now going to cut this out using the scroll saw. Well, the top's all dry now. The spoil board is removable for when it eventually becomes worn out and I need to replace it. That's easily enough done. I've edged it with ash and there's the groove down the side which will accept the two small guides which I've cut out. Now the fence sits like this and I've marked two marks either side for where the guide is going to sit in, and now I'm going to start gluing it together. As you can see, the guide for the fence is now glued on, so again I'm going to have to wait until this sets. While the glue's drying, I'm now going to make the clamping side of the fence. Using a half threaded, half screw insert. While I'm waiting for the glue to dry, I've made a couple of securing blocks which will attach to the bottom of the table. I'm then going to install two M6 T-nuts into the blocks, which then will help to secure it to the bottom of the machine table of the drill press. Right, I've installed the two blocks I'd previously cut out and installed the two M6 T-nuts. To grip the bottom of the metallic table of the drill press, I've installed two M6 bolts. I've covered the entire table with paste wax, so you can easily remove the spoil board and replace it. Attaching the fence is again very simple. Just line up the two guides with the slots and it'll just slide on. And to clamp up, just tighten the wing nut and the fence is locked in place. To install, just simply slide on the top and line the blocks up and just push back. And now lock the table in place. Now that the table is installed and solid, just slacken off the wing nut for the fence and it will freely move backwards and forwards to whichever position you want. If you like the video, please give me a like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Anthony Wood and I'll catch you in the next one.